Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth, honest insights on top-rated products. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best weighted blanket queen-size cooling option available right now. The Topcee weighted blanket for adults, 20 pounds in a 60 inches by 80 inches queen size. You crawl into bed, throw this blanket over yourself, and suddenly, it's like a calm wave washes over you. That's the experience thousands of users are raving about with the Topcee weighted blanket. And it's not just hype. The blanket is packed with features that make it stand out in a sea of lookalikes. Now, let's talk about what gives it that signature weighted comfort. Inside are 0.8 to 1 mm non-toxic hypoallergenic glass beads. They're safely secured inside individual quilted compartments using high-strength stitching. No clumping, no sliding, and no waking up in the middle of the night to redistribute the weight. Just evenly balanced pressure across your whole body, exactly where you want it. One common issue with cheaper weighted blankets is that the beads shift and bunch up, making the whole thing lumpy. But Topcee took a different approach. They use a precise bead filling tool during production that evenly distributes the glass beads. That's supported by tough threadwork, so each stitched square holds the beads exactly where they belong, for the life of the blanket. When it comes to size, this one's a queen, 60 by 80 inches, but with an important note. It won't hang off the sides of your bed like a normal comforter. That's intentional. Weighted blankets are designed to cocoon your body, not your entire bed. Keeping the weight concentrated over you is what helps promote deeper, more restful sleep. As for who it's best suited for, the 20-pound model is ideal for individuals between 190 to 210 pounds. If you're within that weight range, this blanket hits the recommended 8 to 12% of your body weight, which sleep experts suggest for maximum benefit. Whether you're reading, meditating, or just relaxing with a show, the calming pressure can help ease anxiety and promote a better night's sleep. Maintenance is also pretty simple. While machine washing is not recommended due to the blanket's weight and construction, gentle hand washing and air drying will keep it in great shape. That's a small trade-off for the premium feel and performance you're getting. And let's not forget, this makes a stellar gift. Whether it's for a birthday, Christmas, Valentine's Day, or just because, a high-quality weighted blanket is a thoughtful way to show you care. It's suitable for men and women alike, and adds an extra layer of comfort to anyone's daily routine. It is strictly not for children under 8 years old due to its weight and potential safety risks. With over 9,000 ratings and Amazon's Choice badge, the Topcee weighted blanket queen-size cooling edition offers both the science-backed benefits of deep pressure stimulation and the everyday luxury of breathable comfort. It's durable, thoughtfully engineered, and designed to help you fall asleep faster and wake up more refreshed. If you've been curious about weighted blankets, this is the one to try. And if you already love them, this could be the best upgrade you didn't know you needed. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more detailed reviews of top-rated products. Sweet dreams, and we'll see you in the next one.